Hello and welcome to this setup video for the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3. As you can see, it lives up to its name and it is actually pretty slim, even though it has a 15.6-inch screen and a very extensive keypad, as well as a bulky adapter that you might find troublesome plugging into your existing point. Anyway, let's get on with the show. And as with earlier IdeaPad models, it has a privacy shutter on its camera, and it is powered by the Intel Core processor. This is the i3 we are talking about, and let's see how it plays. As you can see, it has Dolby audio, and there is a QR code over there for e-support of Lenovo, although I never had to use it for my C340, which has been sadly discontinued. Okay, so I started the setup process after charging it to full capacity, which was indicated by a white light, and the charging is indicated by an orange light, and Windows 11 started up pretty smoothly. I installed Chrome and Slack and was ready to work. So as you can see, all three USB ports are on one side along with the HDMI port, and on the other side we have a micro SD reader which was there in the C340 as well. So I guess it has one more USB port than that, and there is also the headphone cum microphone jack. Here you can see the keyboard, which is in the standard layout along with a number pad, and there is ample wrist space along with the touchpad, and the HD display is pretty nice. So I got started with my installation, as you saw, and it went pretty smoothly, so I have no complaints about that. Although I would say that getting used to Windows 11 after using Windows 10 for a long time takes a little bit of while, especially with all these unnecessary widgets, and I think they're just meant to draw you into the black hole of internet surfing with random stuff and trending stuff, as they call it these days. But I find all these things quite superfluous, so I'm going to shut them down the first chance I get. In the notification area also a few improvements, or shall I say a few changes, which I will see later how to customize. So I switched off the Bluetooth because I was not using any Bluetooth devices, and I checked out the battery saver, which dims the screen, and the night light, which is good if you're working at night. But one of the worst things about this laptop in comparison to the C340 is that it does not have a backlit keyboard, and I loved my backlit keyboard because it allowed me to work at nights without disturbing anyone in my family, especially my little daughter Advitya. And here is something Windows ripped off from iOS, from macOS I will say, which is pinning all the apps in the taskbar. But I guess to make some progress you have to copy other people. The speakers are in the front, so that's a nice touch, and on the back are the heat vents. But another design flaw, which is a major one I think, is that the hinge of the screen blocks the heat vents. But who am I to say anything? Compared to my C340, which you can see here, this laptop is bigger, as you can see, by 1.5 inches. But I think I would have preferred the portability and lightweight of my old laptop. Thanks for watching, and smash that sub button for awesome ads fun.